Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to receive $10,000 a month very shortly here within your first 3 months with healthy hydration. And then after that there's momentum that's building. You're looking at 10 to 15 to 20, 30. The sky is the limit. It's just how much income do you want to make and how many people do you want to help, okay? And how much effort do you want to put into it. So I'm going to talk about today our bundle pack. So once you get started with our affiliate program, you're going to join in and you will get your bundle pack. So we have 2 bundle packs. We have a whole house bundle pack, which is around $6,000, and then we have our affiliate pack that's a starter pack, and that one is $24.95. So let's just imagine here that we start with the whole home bundle pack. Okay, and that pack is going to run you $6,000. And now you don't have to purchase all that up front. You can go on the financing program. So we work with Chase Bank. They offer 0% interest for 15 months. The minimum payment you're looking at is 1% of the balance. So if it's $6,000, you're looking at $60 a month. And you're going to borrow someone else's money to make you money. Why not? Okay, it's the smartest thing you can do. So now, when this product is sold, you are just starting out. You're going to receive a thank you check for $1,200, your very first sale for that product. Bingo. That's really good, isn't it? Now, you're going to help the next person. And from their sales, you are going to receive $600. Okay, and then you are also going to be able to help their sales when they're training their new people. So you're going to receive a override of $300 from their sales. Although you're not really doing too much at this point, you're just managing and overcoming objections and helping to close the sale. Now they're off to the races. So let's just break this down here and how we're going to do this. Step number 1 is, okay, we got a big problem. We got a water problem right now over the entire world. We have huge toxicity. So we don't even know what's in the water because we're not testing for the 60,000 chemicals. But let me tell you, I just did a water analysis for a friend and we found 720 times over the exceeding limit for arsenic, which is a class A carcinogen. Don't drink it. It causes cancer without a shadow of a doubt. Okay, that's what we found in there. So we definitely want to clean it up. So we got a huge problem in the health, and we have a huge problem with the financial aspect because many people don't even have a job right now. They're trying to figure out how to make ends meet, and they have a family to support. So the first thing we got to do is we need to find prospects. Okay, and how are we going to do that? We look for pain, financial pain or health or just awareness, right? So if you were doing this on social media, you're just going to make a post, complimentary water analysis. And when you join into the program that we have for you, we have a whole step-by-step system when you come in that will teach you where to go to get the proper water analysis so you can see. So once you do that, you present the information. Okay, so you're prospecting, you're asking if anyone's interested. Now you can do this door to door, you can go business to business, you can just casually talk to people, hey, I noticed that you're drinking bottled water. How long have you been drinking that? And I'm just curious why you chose that brand. Find out, why. And they don't realize they're spending so much money either doing it. It's like $150 a month to drink bottled water for one person. And then ask them, do you have any health issues? And we can see how hydrogen can help them because that's really what's causing all the health benefits. They can feel a physical benefit with that. Okay, so you're prospecting. You're looking for people for the product. Now, number 2 is you're going to present. You're going to present whatever you found. You're going to let them know what you found, and then you're going to present what we have to offer and the compensation plan that goes with it. Now, if you're like, I don't know if I can present because I'm starting out, no problem. We have videos. You just send them videos. Super simple. Then after you present, or invite them to a live event because we do those all the time too. So then you're going to follow up. Now, the new people coming in, they've never been in sales, and they're like, oh my gosh, everyone's rejecting me. They didn't buy in the very first time. It usually takes 5 to 8 exposures to get someone happily involved. That means they need to review information. Most people are not going to make a decision on the spot. They want to talk to their spouse. They want to think about it. They want to see where it's going to go. It's fine. 5 to 8 exposures before they take action. So you have to be ready to give them information, to follow up with them creatively. That doesn't mean every day you're posting information and tagging them with the water and just water. No, you're going to build rapport with these new potential prospects, right? So you're going to follow up. Maybe you want to pop by their home. You want to give them a sample of water. You got the disinfecting spray. You're going to let them borrow it. You got the hydro shot. You're going to let them borrow it. You're going to send them a webinar, Professor Oda's webinar, a sample of the Hydra FX, whatever that might be, 5 to 8 times of getting information for them to say yes. Okay. But before they say yes, you have to be able to ask. Ask what? Have you thought about having one of these in your home? How would it feel to be drinking this kind of water for the rest of your life to protect you and your family? And they're going to say, oh, it'd feel really great. Awesome. Is there anything holding you back from ordering it today? And they're going to say, yeah, the money. That's it. They're going to say, yeah, but, and then they're going to give you an objection. You're going to overcome the objections, because all objections are typically is just well-planned lies, stalls, and roadblocks to get you kind of like, hey, do you really want to spend the money? Do they really want to spend the money? Because if they want it, they will find a way to get it. So you overcome the objection by asking better questions. You said you don't have the money, and that's perfectly fine. We offer financing. We work with Chase Bank. They offer 0% interest for 15 months. The minimum payment is only 1% of the balance. So you're looking at $25 a month for the smaller affiliate pack, or we're looking at $60 a month for our biggest pack that we have available. Which one works best for you? And how's your credit? Okay, so then $60 a month, we ask. Ask questions. Ask for the sale. If you can't ask, you cannot receive. Okay, so you ask. And then after that, you're going to help them get started. They purchase, okay, great. And then you're going to help them get their unit paid for. And you're going to help them get their first 2, and then help those people get 2 as well. Now we're going to break it down. So first step, find people. Second step, present an opportunity, present information that gets them to see the bigger picture. Then we're going to follow up with them creatively. Then we're going to ask for the sale. Simple. And then we're going to help them get their unit paid for, or help them with their dog getting on the water, whatever it is. You're going to be there for them because they bought from you, and you're going to help them. Okay, that's what we do. Okay, so then the next step here, let me just show you the numbers. You're going to love this. Okay, so here's how we're going to get $10,000 a month very quickly here. So here we are starting out. You're going to go ahead and sell your first 3 units your first month, because we're going to teach you 10 to get 3. So if all you're doing is you found 10 qualified leads that you got from social media, people that drink water, people that have health issues, and you're helping those 10 people, following up with them, asking the right questions, 3 will typically purchase. So your very first month coming in, you're going to receive 3 sales if you follow the steps and you have good clients and you're not afraid of asking. Okay? So now you've received $1,200 your very first month from each of these. So we're looking at $3,600. And because you did this in a very short amount of time, you will also get the rising star. You'll also get the star, the diamond star, which is great because that is going to put you in an advantage. We'll talk about that later because you did this within 30 days. Just the 2 is all you need to get that. And you received almost 4,000. We're just going to, by the time you get your bonus here, it's almost 4,000 for easy numbers for me. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to help these new frontline runners. We're going to help each of them get at least 2 or 3. Okay. But we're just going to say for 2. Okay. So now we got $600 coming from the indirect sales. Okay, so you're going to have 600, and then we're going to add all that together, and it's about 3,600. So again, we're just going to round it up to the 4,000 for easy math. Okay, all right, so now we're helping them. We're teaching them the system. We're putting them through the program. We're following up with them. You're making sure that they're coming to the meetings, which we do twice a week, and then every other Saturday, I'm there for you. So what we're going to do here next is we are going to help them get their first 2. And actually, it's not even you at this point doing it. You're just overseeing. So you're getting an override. So now you're going to get an override on these sales. And the override is 300. So 300, and then we times it by that many 12, we're going to come up with about the same number, which is around 3,600. So if you're doing this first month, second month, third month. Okay, so now you've completed 1 cycle. This is 1 cycle. And this is around $10,000. Now, this is just the start of it, because you're going to get residual income as well, because there's filters that they're going to have to replace every once in a while, and you also get bonuses on that. And anytime they go back to the store, you're also going to get income coming from that. So 10,000. Okay, so now let's just imagine that these people are still going wild. They don't need you anymore. They're just excited to be. So now these people here are going to be making you money while you sleep. You're going to still keep the average of 3 a month that you're bringing in. So if you kept the average of 3 a month and you're already received the 10,000, it's still going, you can see the momentum. I'm not even going to do the math right now because it's a large number. But if you were to bring in the 3,600 every single month and teach those people to do the same thing and complete one entire cycle, you are going to be off to the races. And in just a couple of years, you're going to be making $500,000, $600,000, $800,000 a year or more. If you really want this. Now, if you just want a little fun spending money, that's fine too. Whatever level you're at, great. But if you see an opportunity here and you're like, this looks good, everybody drinks water, why not drink the best water? We got the best financing, we have the best comp plan, and we're a new company in the industry, and there's no one else doing what we're doing. So it's very exciting times. So if you're excited, the next step for you is get on our Zoom calls if you're an affiliate and make sure that you're staying connected. We're doing a reboot. So this whole month of September, we are gathering people, and there's a bonus pool. So anyone that comes in this month, we're putting extra money in the bonus pool. And then the next 3 months, we're working to complete the cycle. What's going to happen is all the funds from each month are going to keep going, and then we will split it at the end of the 3 months. And we're going to split it with the ones that are out there taking action that have at least risen up to our compensation rank called Rising Star. That means you just need 2 people frontline. That's it, that receive packages, the affiliate pack, the bundles. Okay, so then if you're doing that, you're going to be, it's going to be good Christmas, okay? So that's how you're going to receive $10,000 a month with our company. And I can't wait to see you out there making big changes in your life and getting the things that you want and your family wants. All right, well, we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be free.